Hello, have a nice day. Today I will guide you to make a powerful battery using only plastic pipe and charcoal. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. First, I will use PVC pipe with diameter 27 millimeters. Then cut it into 9 centimeter long pieces. Next, I took a plastic bottle cap and used a soldering iron to make a small round hole in it. Then use glue to stick the bottle cap to one end of the plastic tube. Note, please paste carefully to avoid gaps. Next, I used a nut to make a terminal for the battery. I use charcoal as a catalyst for the battery. Then I grind the coal into powder. Note, grind smoothly and evenly. Then I take salt and mix it with a little water. After dissolving the salt in water, I added the solution to the charcoal powder. Note, stir the mixture well. Next, I used a small spoon to scoop the mixture into the plastic tube. Carefully mix the mixture into the plastic tube. After the plastic tube is filled with the mixture, we will clean the outside of the plastic tube. Then use a plastic cap to cover the other end of the plastic tube and use glue around it. After a while, I made a lot of small batteries. Next, I will use glue to stick the batteries together in a staggered direction. I used a soldering iron to apply tin to the battery terminals. Then I used 1 mm diameter copper wire to connect the battery terminals. Note: please connect the battery terminals in series. Next, I will use the connecting wire to solder to the 2 output terminals of the battery. Once finished, I took the battery to charge. After 4 hours of charging, I will take the battery for testing. First, I tested it with computer cooling fan, Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Finally, I use transformer circuit to test 220-volt electrical appliances. I used a fan and a light bulb. Surprisingly, the battery I just made is extremely durable and sturdy. Surprisingly, the battery I just made is extremely durable and sturdy.